Hi, I am Suad. If you're tuning in for the first time, welcome to our space. Have you ever made a decision, then question it immediately? You replay every word. You call your friends. You ignore your gut and then feel empty. Let's talk about why you stopped trusting yourself and how we begin healing it today. There was a season in my life when every decision I made felt wrong. I could say yes when I meant no. I could let people's opinions override my own truth. I doubted my voice because somewhere along the way, I started believing everyone else knew better than me. If that's you right now, you are not broken. You are just disconnected. And I want to help you find your voice again. You stop trusting yourself because you were taught to value approval more than alignment. You were punished for speaking up. You internalize failure as a reflection of your identity. But here is what's true: you were never meant to be perfect. You were meant to be present. Your intuition isn't gone, it's just buried under noise. And we are about to turn the volume back up. You don't rebuild trust by always getting it right. You rebuild trust by choosing you consistently. Today, make one small decision without asking anyone's opinion. Honor your yes. Trust your no. Then comment below and tell me what you choose. If you are done second guessing and ready to start leading from within, subscribe and stay close. This is the work that changes everything.